This is my ultralight hybrid electric drive module. This unit sits in the ultralight I built last year, here and here. There's a 30cc IC engine and a generator and a 220 volt inverter in there, and these are the system control electronics. They are made with various open source hardware and software, and they are currently in between this module and this module for various reasons. This is a 25cc 4-stroke Honda engine. It also has a solenoid here, a solenoid which is being run by a relay, and that controls this injection module with either butane, liquefied petroleum, or petrol. It's still work in progress. Yeah, the hardware's mostly Intel, Atmel, PIC, of course, and ARM on Raspberry Pi, with various add-on modules like these for I/O for the various sensors that I've been testing. And this entire system is the driver assistance module. So it's got laser refraction, also a visible light camera, and a ultrasonic unit, and a Raspberry Pi to work on the various input and output for that. I will open up this box and start the system and give you a brief demonstration of the electric motor here, which will drive the wheel either with DC voltage from a battery that I built using salvaged laptop batteries, and it also will run through the generator in there. This is for the DC switching, and the AC switches are here. Now, as you will see, there are lots of manual switches that I will put on and off with my hand, which is obviously not something that's practical in a vehicle. The software is supposed to automatically switch on and off various components through this relay board, but that's still long way off from working. And this is a GPS module on a Raspberry Pi. Some of the other things that I've been working on, various other motors, This is a electronically commutated motor, DC motor, and just with some magnets it does. This is pretty nice design for a electric vehicle because these stator coils are on the outside, and so applying a water jacket to cool this would be a lot more easier than something like this, which has all the stators inside and there's an air gap, so heating would definitely be an issue. This is another DC motor. And this is something that's working on remotely. And these are AC induction motors, which are not suitable for automotive, so I have made them to be used in my tools, like this grinding disc here. Also, this is basically just a quick overview, and I will now remove the cover and start the system in DC and then on AC voltage. So the ultralight vehicle that I built will have 3 motors, 1, 2, 1 on each side, and 1 driving the rear wheel through this system, and with this 600 watt battery. So it will be a 3-wheeled ultralight vehicle with all-wheel drive. So the system is about 1 kilowatt. The motor is about 700 watts and the generator is 800 watts output. This is on DC, so the IC engine and the generator is not switched on. And now on AC through the inverter. And this is a wattage meter, so let me show you the output wattage. Of course, I don't have a load higher than about 150 watts. I can't simulate a larger load. So now for the final demo, I'll switch on the engine. The engine will run the generator. The generator will provide 12 volts to the inverter, which will convert it to 220 volts. And this outlet, I will use this plug directly to go in here.